Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making niños envuelto. I know it sounds weird. I'm going to translate. It's kids wrapped, which is so weird in English, but it's like pigs in a blanket. So it's not literal, but what we're going to do is like stuffed cabbage, pretty much. These are some of the ingredients, and let's start. Okay guys, here we go. So we have Italian green peppers, regular green peppers, red peppers, tomatoes, white onion, cilantro, and 4 cloves of garlic. So we're gonna put 1 little cube of sazon, olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and close this up. This is to do our seasoning. Alright guys, here we have the cabbage. I peeled off all the like not so pretty parts of it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this base of it. Very simple. Alright guys, as you see there is a pot here with some salt, water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And what we're going to do is we're just going to place the cabbage and let it boil for a good 20 minutes just to make sure that the cabbage is soft and flexible. And as you see, we took off the piece here in the middle. There you go. It looks a little red. Why? Because we put also tomatoes in there. So we chopped it up, we blended it in well, and this is going to be the seasoning for the meat. So now we're going to season the meat. I've cleaned my rice and left the rice in water with salt for about 20 minutes. When we start steaming the niños envuelto, the rice will cook, but I like to leave it in some water and salt just for flavor and so it could get a little bit, you know, moist. So we're going to throw that water out and we're going to use that inside the meat while we're seasoning. So guys, I like to clean the meat that I'm going to eat. I know that sounds so funny, but I like to use a lemon or a lime just because, you know, any bacteria or anything, I just like it to be extra clean. There we go. Okay, so here we go. We're going to use some pepper. Some dry oregano. Cannot forget the adobo. And the seasoning that I blended in the blending machine, put 2 tablespoons. And a tablespoon of tomato paste. And of course, the rice. And we're gonna blend all that in. Guys, there we have it. It's all blended, it's all seasoned. It smells delicious. Leave this just seasoned for like 30 minutes. And we're just gonna wait for the cabbage to get nice and soft so we can start wrapping the niños envueltos. Okay guys, these are all the cabbages that I already did. So I peeled off the cabbage, and this little hard part right here, we're gonna just remove that. So gently from the cabbage. See this little piece? We took that off. And that's how we left it. We already have them all done here. We've already boiled the cabbage. So as you guys see, we have the meat here. That's been, and we're gonna take some meat. And we're just gonna put it right here. And we're gonna make sure we wrap so gently. If there's too much, you can always just cut a little bit of it and roll them up. I like to take a little toothpick just to make sure I go ahead and center them. We're gonna do one more so you guys can see how simple this is. See that? And wrap it up. Cabbage. And again, little toothpick. Close it up. Simple. See that? Hey guys, okay, so I put some olive oil in a pan, and we're going to go ahead and put tomatoes, onions, cilantro ancho, red green peppers, and Italian green peppers. And this is going to be a sauce that we're going to be adding to the niños envueltos. And a tablespoon of everything that I grinded in the blender that we use for the meat. We're also going to use it here. It has different purposes. We're going to put some salt. So the veggies could sweat. We're going to add some tomato paste. We're going to add a little bit of H2O and just let it simmer and cook, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you've seen here, what I did was that the extra cabbage, I put a layer down in the pot, and then I put the rest that I already wrapped on top. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put more cabbage on top, like a blanket, just so the heat could stay inside. This way, this would just cook faster. And the sauce that I told you that we made with H2O and the tomato paste, we're just gonna pour all of that all on top. And we're gonna put medium heat, and we're gonna just let this boil inside for about 30 to 45 minutes, let's say. Ladies and gents, and they are all done. We took them out of the pot. Some of the gravy, put it right on top of them. Let them cool down for about 10 minutes. And bon appetit. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, DashingThalia. Los amo. Bye.